Hi guys, this is Dan Odell. After 25 years of selling real estate, we've seen a lot of stuff go on, and one of the big items that happen in the spring during storm season is home maintenance. There's lots of things you can do now early in the year to prepare your home for the heavy rains that will certainly happen in the spring and summer. One of the tips is window maintenance. Windows are a huge problem when they're not maintained well because water can infiltrate inside the house and down the walls. And one of the big tips that we try to teach in the springtime is making sure that windows are sealed. All the wood trim around the windows have no cracks in them. The seams are well caulked so that water cannot penetrate through the windows. Side rains can really be a problem in entering water down through the window and down through the wall if they're not maintained. So get a contractor, get your windows serviced, and not have a problem this spring with heavy rains. Another tip is the maintenance of gutters and the exterior of your house. As you can see, there's trees around, and debris that floats in the air and gets in the gutters will stop the water flow away from your foundation. So make sure that you have big, wide downspouts. The gutters are clean, and if you have a heavy rain and don't see water coming down through and exiting the downspout, then your gutters are clogged. So make sure you get them cleaned regularly because you do not want water entering the basement. Here's a good example of a problem. Water should come out and should be extended down on the away from the house, but here's a low spot, and if you do not properly maintain your gutters and have the water flow away from the property, then water is going to hover in the low spot, and so that's going to cause water to go in the basement. So lift this up with dirt and extend the gutters, put a little extension on your gutter downspout to keep the water away from the house. I promise you it'll save you thousands of dollars in water in the basement, which is a huge issue which you're trying to avoid, and it gets maximized this time of year during the heavy rains. Another couple tips are dealing with soil erosion. If you live in a lot that has a steep hill or decline, and if you don't have it covered with grass or vegetation or rock, what happens is when the trees cover the sun and the grass doesn't grow, it causes erosion, which will become a huge problem when it starts to rain. This will continue to wash away and will be putting your dirt and your topsoil in their yard, which is a bad thing. So make sure that you work with a landscaper, put ground cover in, put rock in, put mulch in, put grass in on all the areas that have heavy slope, because that'll just eliminate erosion. That'll cause a happy lawn in the spring and summertime once the rains start. One final tip, get your roof serviced and maintained. Roofs can extend a lot of damage with heavy winds in the wintertime, early spring, and they can be damaged and you wouldn't even know about it. Have a roofer check your roof, making sure that it's sound, all the shingles are replaced, and there's no issues with the roof. Obviously, Group Odell has contractors for all of these items. If you would like a contractor to help you with these services, please call our office. We'd be happy to help you.